Welcome to MaidTV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Jingle Nazareno.
Okay, and you're from?
I'm from Philippines.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
32 years old. Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay, when would you be able to start working?
After urgent.
You can start immediately. Okay, so do you have relatives here in UAE?
Yes, I have.
Okay, please describe your present job. What are you doing right now with your present employer?
I'm working.
Are you working as a housemaid, nanny,
Yes,
or cook? What?
Just only cleaning, ironing,
Okay.
washing.
Okay, so you're working as an all-around housemaid and you're in charge of the household chores, except cooking.
Yes.
Okay, so describe in details how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. How do you clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, and the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
I clean first the room.
How are you going to clean it?
I remove the dust first. The vacuum. All.
Oh, okay, so how many times in a week do you have to change the bed sheets?
Two times.
Twice a week. So for the toilet, how often do you have to clean the toilet?
Every
Every day.
day.
So how many times in a day? Once or twice a day? The toilet. For the toilet.
It's every day.
Just every day, once a day. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I will call my employer.
You will call your employer to ask. Okay. So do you know how to cook?
No.
You don't know how to cook. So are you willing to learn how to cook?
Yes.
Can you follow instruction in cookbooks or recipe books?
Recipe books.
You can follow. Okay. So describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Why should they hire you? What qualities do you have that makes you a good housemaid?
I'm honest.
Honest?
Patient.
Patient? You're an honest and patient person. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Jingle from MaidTV.com. Thank you.